Ever wondered how your devices connect to the internet wirelessly? It's all thanks to Wi-Fi, a fundamental modern technology. Wi-Fi uses invisible radio waves to transmit data wirelessly between your devices and a router. These signals operate on frequencies like 2.4, 5, and 6 GHz, divided into channels to prevent interference. Your router acts as an access point, broadcasting a unique network name, or SSID, for devices to connect. Most networks require a password, secured by protocols like WPA2 and WPA3 to protect your data. The 2.4 GHz band offers longer range but slower speeds, while 5 GHz provides faster speeds over a shorter distance. The newer 6 GHz band offers the fastest speeds and least interference, ideal for bandwidth-intensive applications, though its range is the shortest. Common Wi-Fi issues include interference, distance from the router, and network congestion. To optimize your connection, try moving closer to your router, reducing interference, or switching Wi-Fi channels.